G'day and welcome to the channel. I'm Paul and today I'm going to install the Hooke Road gas strut bonnet kit to the bonnet of my Jeep Wrangler. The kit comes complete with all necessary hardware, comprehensive instructions and a pack of nuts and bolts for all fittings. The brackets are well made and bolt directly onto the existing bolt locations under the Wrangler's bonnet. No drilling required. The instructions give full details of what goes where and even list which tools are required. A 14mm spanner, 10mm spanner, a 10mm socket and a 4mm Allen key. Ordinarily the bonnet isn't too difficult to lift into place, but if you have any shoulder problems or aren't a particularly big person, it may be a bit difficult to lift, and this kit should make it a whole lot easier. Let's get cracking on the install. Alright, so the first thing we need to do from both sides of the vehicle is remove the bolts from here and here. Okay, so now we get the bracket and we basically just loose bolt it in the right position, tighten it up later. Now we just need to use the standard nuts and bolts. So at this point we've got the struts both installed, temporarily screwed in. Now we have to put the top brackets in, and they go into these small holes halfway up the bonnet. But what we've got is this bracket plus this little locking tab in the back, which is pre-threaded. So all you do is you put your screw in through there and tighten it up, and then you slide the smaller part into the hole, adjust the bracket correctly, and then fit the second screw and tighten it up to lock it all in place. So that's fitted up now, and all we have to do is slip on a nut, tighten it up and repeat on both sides. Okay, so there it is, all installed. Let's see how we go. The pressure test, as they say. Comes down, yep, locks into spot. Once we put the latches on, that's fine. Open it up, let it go, and how good is that? Beautiful.